In this video, I will show you how to fix your desktop background changing automatically. First, we head over to search, setting, then personalization, background, and make sure that personalize your background is set to picture or solid color, not slideshow or window spotlight. Second, we head over to search again, control panel, view by large icon, we click on power option, change plan setting, change advanced power setting, desktop background setting, slideshow, and make sure that these two set it on post. And we click OK and we apply. First step is to go to setting again, app, installed app, and delete if you have an app called wallpaper. And that's all. I hope you liked the video.